Okay, so this is the house. It is on a second floor apartment up there. The staircase is tight. So you gotta think about that. If you have big couches and stuff, you gotta get around this bend, gotta get around that bend downstairs. Yeah, so it's gonna be hard to get things up into this apartment. Everything's been recently refreshed. So, yeah, apartment looks pretty clean, pretty nice. This is the kitchen space, and the kitchen space seamlessly flows into the living room space. This is the living room space, this way. And it is a 3-bedroom apartment. So typically people have had their like TV here and a couch over here and a dining table like here. This is one of the bedrooms. Has a closet. We are still kind of in the middle of some repairs, but yeah, they'll be done in the next couple days here, so pretty much ready to go. There's another bedroom, bedroom number 2. Yes, and all the bedrooms do have closets, making them bedrooms. This is the bathroom, which the bathtub was just reglazed. Yes, a lot of refinishing going on here. Yeah, they did a nice job. Anyway, that's the bathroom. Little sink there. This toilet's gonna be replaced in the next couple days as well. And then here is the 3rd bedroom, probably the biggest bedroom. Yeah, all our tools and stuff. This will be out of here, but yeah, there's the closet and tools, and that's the apartment. So any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.
There's also laundry around back in the laundry room. It's a coin-operated washer and dryer, and you can store your laundry in one of these 4 cubbies that's assigned to your unit. Yep.